Hello, everyone. My name is Daniela and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you would like to read any more about what John writes on a regular basis, head to incomeinvestors.com or you can click the link to our website in the description below. West Texas Intermediate and Brent crude oil prices remain volatile and concerns about the global economy. Those are near-term issues. Longer term, OPEC expects oil demand will hit 123 million barrels per day by 2050. As a result, the industry will need to invest $18.2 trillion in new oil and gas investments. For now, though, the short-term outlook for crude remains somewhat bearish. That's bad news for smaller domestic oil and gas plays, but well-established energy companies like Delek Logistics Partners LP trade on New York Stock Exchange under symbol DKL could pick up the slack and even thrive. Delek Logistics has a market cap of just $2.3 billion and is on the smaller side, but it's firing on all cylinders right now, and its outlook is robust. It reported record second, third, and fourth quarter 2024 and first quarter 2025 results. It increases dividend for the 49th consecutive quarter, and its units are significantly outpacing the S&P 500. John?
Thanks, Danielle. Yeah, Delek Logistics Partners LP is a midstream energy master limited partnership that provides gathering, pipeline, transportation, and other services for crude oil intermediates, refined products, natural gas storage, wholesale marketing, terminaling, water disposal, and recycling customers here in the United States. Its infrastructure includes 850 miles of crude and product transportation pipelines and a 700-mile crude oil gathering system. Delek's key areas of operations include areas around the Permian Basin, the Delaware Basin, and other regions in the Gulf Coast area. This includes Texas, Tennessee, Arkansas, and Oklahoma.
It reported another quarter of record results.
Delek started out on a strong note, reporting record first quarter results. This included net income increasing 19.5% on an annual basis to $39 million or 73 cents per unit. Net cash provided by operating activities was $31.6 million in the first quarter compared to $43.9 million in the first quarter of 2024. Distributable cash flow as adjusted was up 10% at $75.1 million, and first quarter EBITDA was $85.5 million, I think, and adjusted EBITDA increased to $116.5 million.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can also find the link to our website in the description below. And now back to the video. And on the passive income front, it raised its payout for the 49th consecutive quarter.
Thanks to reliable distributable cash flow, Delek Logistics is able to provide investors with a growing distribution. In May, it increased its quarterly cash distribution from $1.10 per unit to $1.11 per unit. This works out to an annual distribution of $4.44 per unit for a forward dividend yield of 10%. Looks like shareholders can forward to a 50th consecutive increase. In prepared remarks in the first quarter results, management said, and I quote, "We are proud of the 49th consecutive increase in our distribution, and we expect to continue to increase our distribution in the future." End of quote.
And DKL units are crushing the broader market.
Shareholders, it seems, like it when companies report record financial results. As of this recording, DKL units are significantly outpacing the S&P 500 and are up 4.5% over the last month, 15.5% over the last 3 months, slightly more than 12% year to date, and almost 23% year over year.
Thanks, John, for your insights. The energy sector has been facing headwinds this year on concerns about how the economy will respond to trade wars. So far, fears of Armageddon have not been held up. U.S. consumer spending remains solid, and the U.S. job market continues to post solid gains. Investor optimism is also being buoyed by a trade deal between the U.S. and European Union, the world's largest trading bloc. This should help the U.S. avoid a recession, which would be good for the energy sector. Delek isn't waiting for that to happen. It's quietly reporting record results and providing solid guidance. For 2025, it's on track to deliver strong adjusted EBITDA in the range of $480 million to $520 million. Its share price is thumping the broader market, and the strong guidance should help it continue to raise its quarterly distribution. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com to get our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%, or you can find the link to our website in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.